Welcome, and my name is CUBOT Power, and today I'll show you how to add and remove Google account. So to get started, we need to open up settings, and from settings, let's navigate into account. Okay, so it's users and accounts, so right here, and tap on add account. Now make sure you're actually connected to the network. I'm actually not, so let me fix that. And I just get to choose the Google, and it starts loading. And from here, you get to use the existing Google account to log in, or you can always create one if you don't have it. So I'm gonna sign in with mine. And then I'm gonna put in the password for it. Tap on next, and you will see the Google Terms of Service. Tap on I agree to proceed. More, and I agree. And now you have the account. And if you want to remove, all you need to do is just go back to the settings, and again to, where was it, users and accounts. Tap on the account that you want to remove, and you will see at the bottom of it, remove account, confirm it. And if you have some kind of pattern set, some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. If you don't have it, this screen wouldn't show up at all. And now, as you can see, it's gone. So that's how you remove it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.